children, a very graceful morning to you all. Okay, welcome back to our English class. In the previous class, we have seen a story about two friends, right? Yes, what is that story name? Fair Play. And this is a Fair Play part 2, children. Part 1 is completed. In the part 1, Juman's aunt, she goes to the panchayat to get judgment, right? Yes, in this part 2, what it was going to happen, we are going to see. Here, on the same day, she spoke to Algu to come to the panchayat and speak the truth. On the same afternoon, under a banyan tree, under a big banyan tree, the panchayat was held. In that panchayat, she used to make all the family to come there, to come over the panchayat. Then Juman said, what she used to do is, she came and she explained to the panchayat members that she used to tell the case and she used to get the correct judgment because her son was not taking care of her. So she came to the panchayat. Then Juman will stood up. He used to stood up and he used to say in the panchayat, the voice of the panchayat is the voice of the God. The voice of the panch is the voice of God. Means what? So God only will come in the place of panch and he only gives the judgment. So this person Juman will stand in the panchayat and he used to tell what the voice of the panch is a voice of God. So let my aunt she only nominate the panch because why he told like that? Because she only brought the case to the panchayat. No, if she did not nominate or if we nominated, then she used to think that I had done something wrong. So the case, who has brought the case to the panchayat, they only will select the panch. So who is going to select the panch here? Old aunt. Who told these words? Juman. Juman told to the panchayat members that she only nominated a panch because the voice of the panch is the voice of God. Okay. Then this lady, old aunt, she used to stand and she will nominate Algu Chaudhary. She will nominate Algu Chaudhary. Why? He is also the member of the family, right? He is also the friend of Juman Sheikh. He knows everything. So this lady under a banyan tree, there was going the case. Then she'll tell to the Algu either a friend or an enemy. Panch may be a friend or an enemy. So don't think that you are a friend to the Juman and don't give the judgment regarding him. You know everything, the story which was happening in our home. You have to think about that and then give the correct judgment because the panch will not be a friend or an enemy. And then Juman will think, so she has nominated as panch my friend only Algu Chaudhary. So Algu will support Juman only. Who is thinking like that? Juman is thinking, the panch is Algu only. No, he is my friend. He always supports me only. So I can win in this case. Then what happened? This old aunt will tell the story again. See, I gave some property to the Juman Sheikh on a condition that he used to take care of me. But before some days, what happened? His wife stopped giving me food. So what I asked is to give me some money every month so that I can keep another kitchen or I can keep any other maid. But Juman told he is not going to give any money. So what I need, what the old aunt need, she need to give monthly allowance or give the property back. Then Algu will cross check. Okay, he used to cross check. Cross check means he used to examine whether the lady told correct or wrong. Not only Algu and the villagers also, they used to check and then they'll give and judgment. See, Algu told that, yes, Juman, I have examined everything here. So, you need to give the monthly allowance or you can give the property back, because I am also your friend. I am also staying in your home. I had seen many quarrels were happened between your wife and aunt. So there was no more quarrels should be go on for the next periods. So what should we do? Like that, Algu told to all the people who are in the panchayat. Then immediately he used to tell to the Juman. So now the judgment is whether you will give money or you will give property back. In that two you need to do one thing. Then immediately Juman will feel very angry. He felt very angry. Why? Because Algu is his friend. But now what happened? He did not support Juman. He supported old aunt. So Juman Sheikh will get angry and his friendship was also broken. Now who is the enemy of Juman? Algu, because he supported the old aunt. Then Juman will think, okay, the judgment was given, no, so I have to think like that only. Then he used to think about his friend. Who is his friend? Who is a friend of Juman? Who is a friend of Juman? Yes, Algu Chaudhary. Then he used to think, okay, Algu, you had given me the judgment. You thought that I am a friend of you, but you did not think of me. You have supported to the old aunt. Okay, let it be. They used to think and the judgment was given. They came back to the home. Okay, so what happened? Who became the enemy here? Algu Chaudhary became the enemy for Juman Sheikh. So, see, if we do anything correct, then other people will feel it is wrong. Then our friendship will be broken. So, you need, wherever the judgment is correct, wherever the truth is there only we need to give the correct judgment. Okay? Okay, children, I hope that you have understood the second part. Right? Do you have any doubts regarding this? Just the lady went to the panchayat. There she nominated Pancha as Algu Chaudhary. Algu Chaudhary examined everything and he gave the judgment to the Juman. Whether you give monthly payment or give the property back. Okay. Now, so that judgment, Algu became enemy for the Juman. Okay. And the world lady felt very happy. That's it. So, you all have understood, right? Yes. Thank you. We'll see the third part in the next class. Okay? Okay, thank you.